Ditto, what's that? What is that, guys? What is that? Do you see? Duckies. Ditto. 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 You ever see duckies? Why now? I'm not even interested. Jesus.
Missy, Missy and the cat. Missy, who's that? You want some of that?
Ew.
I told you about Tater eating the diarrhea.
Ew.
Some other dog left this slimy diarrhea in the thing. Their Tater was going.
Okay, yeah.
What was that, Tater? He lifts his head and it's just this diarrhea coming out of his mouth, and he's just like. I don't have a bag or anything, and I'm trying to get it out of his mouth. So.
Rupees. It's like watching scat porn. That kid doesn't know what scat porn is.
Oh, we have done it.
Love when they do that. You alright there, Ditto? Sound like baby.
Ooh. God. Ooh, that's a big one. Check this out.
Bro! God!
Scream like a little girl.
Oh, the ducks are fighting. Ditto, you see the duckies? Ditto, you see the duckies? Look at duckies, Ditto. Just amazes me.
Look at Tater.
What does he see?
What's he looking? Get in there.
Wait. Oh my God. Oh Jesus Christ, don't let him get, get him away,
Tater. Look,
She
there's another one underneath there.
Jeez.
Hi, Mother Goose. Sorry that we annoyed you. Wow, you're beautiful.
Come on, Ditto. I always wanted. They always kind of stopped around that one every time I took him for a walk. Cat up on the left. Jesus Christ, this place is a fucking minefield. It's just laying in the dirt like that, the mud.
Most of the time, these kids can just sit there and not get
Careful. Oh. Oh, sorry. We fix you here on a second. There we go, buddy.
Hey, mine too, Poopy.
It's okay, take mine then.
You just got to stay ahead. Don't keep, 'cause I keep catching up with you. All right, they're locked in. You gotta unlock them.
You're such an asshole. Yeah, come on, Tater. Missy, this way.
Remember, they're locked.
Yep, I know. And they'll stay locked until that cat goes away. Oh, Jesus. Come on. It doesn't want to play with you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. What are you getting? Stan, is this normal for Tater? Is this normal for Tater? There we go. There we go. Great. More obstacles. You're not going to get them. But, because they're high maintenance.